Hey, welcome back, everybody. We are again today with Ace Allak from People's Home Equity. Hi, Ace.
Hey, how you guys doing?
Good.
Good.
Following up to see if you can give us a market update and what's going on in your world.
Yeah, everything is pretty similar in the lending world. Rates are still very low, 100-year lows, low to mid threes, depending on the product, 15 years in the twos. Business seems to be picking up. We've seen more multiple offers in the Valley and within some of the boundaries of Summit County. Jumbo loans are the same, still back to where they were 5 years ago. The rate goes up about 3/4 of a point, but still available with 20 and 25% down.
Great. Good. So I spoke with another agent yesterday who was saying the lenders that they're working with now, they're all quoting 60 days they need to get a deal done. It's obviously not very attractive sometimes to a seller if that's what is in the offer. What's your time frame that you guys are working with now?
We say 30 days. We say 30 days. We can do it quicker on a case-by-case basis if the home's vacant and the appraisal can be ordered right away. A lot of FDIC banks, credit unions, Wells Fargo, they don't prioritize purchases over refinances. That's part of the problem. If you work with a local mortgage bank, they should be prioritizing purchases over refinances, which means it doesn't matter what the backlog is. The purchase will always go first. That's how it is for us. So if you need a quick timeline, talk to me, talk to your lender, let them know, commit to order the appraisal quickly. That's the biggest thing. Those are taken, for us, they're about 3 to 7 business days. You can get it in a rush in 3 business days, but that adds $100 for the borrower. But, a week is usually enough for an appraisal, and then it can be underwritten at the same time. So you're working in parallel. So the answer, Jeff, is no. It should not be taking that long everywhere.
That's good.
But I understand that it is something, if you are a listing agent and you are verifying, look at the bank that the borrower is working with. That's a very, very relevant thing. And call the loan officer, verify the timelines. If you're working with a big bank, just know that it may not be as much in their control as if it is a local bank.
Awesome. So to help our buyers be prepared, what type of documentation will they need for a full file for you to be able to quickly turn that around? How can our buyers be more prepared for you in the loan process?
Well, that's cool because we were just talking about this, right? So, the conversation can be, as little as 5 minutes. It's pretty quick. We talk to them about what they want to do, what their goals are, get them set up, get an application, which takes about 15 minutes, provide documentation. If they're a wage earner, 1 30-day pay stubs, 2 years W-2s. If they're self-employed, 2 years tax returns, business and personal, all K-1s and all schedules. If the application's done and those documents are submitted, we put it to the top of the list and it gets turned around within 1 day.
So you guys do that in person, over the phone? Can they do it online?
They can do the application online or over the phone. Online's good. It takes 15 minutes. It uploads everything into our system. They provide those documents. We schedule a video consultation and we discuss it and tell them that their homework is to come up with as many questions as possible so they leave that meeting fully equipped. Right? It's better to take a little bit more time in the beginning and really understand it. But to answer your question, Jeff, 15 minutes and then consultation 30 minutes. And if set up right, and like I said, it goes to the top of the list if it's thorough. We don't like vagueness. I don't know very many people who do. So we want to be able to talk with specificity. Outside of that, it's usually, general terms, but we want to be precise so that there's no guesswork.
Awesome. And for our end, knowing that we have a buyer who has their ducks in a row, meaning they have a pre-qualification letter, but also the loan process in motion. So when they're ready to buy a home, we know that we feel confident in saying we can have a quick close date, 30 days. And so as a buyer, that's super important to be competitive in today's environment, especially what we're seeing is multiple offers.
Yeah,
sure.
we had one today that asked for a 21-day close. The home's vacant. They committed to make an offer today and order the appraisal immediately. And if we can do that, as long as what takes a long time is the inspection, the negotiation, then the authorization, order the appraisal. So, in theory, the loan can move a lot quicker. But if the appraisal can be ordered right away, like I said, we committed to one today. That's in 3 weeks.
Awesome.
So if anybody out there has any comments they want us to talk to Ace about in the future, please call us, text us, leave a little comment. And if they need to get a hold of you guys, how do they do that, Ace?
Call me directly, 801-694-6439, or email me and my team at aceteam@peopleshomeequity.com, all spelled out, aceteam@peopleshomeequity.
Awesome. Thank you, Ace. We'll see you next week.
Thank you, guys. See you next week. Bye.
Thanks, Jason.
Thanks.